Okay guys, so katapos na natin mag-set up ngayon guys, no. Maulan kasi kanina, so mabilisang set up tayo dito guys. So ayan, dalawang front of house and dalawang monitor speaker. And then sa ilaw natin guys, meron tayong dalawang amber at saka isang RGBW, magkabilaan yan guys. Ayan. So pasensya na guys kung ang video na to is mabilisan lang din, no. Kasi medyo busy tayo ngayon kasi umuulan. Ayan. So set up natin dito guys. Ayan, meron tayong Hawk 16 na Joson mixer. And then isang amplifier lang guys para sa apat na speaker. Then laptop, then controller. Ayan. So yun lang muna, update lang ako mamaya guys pagkatapos ng makapag-set up na maayos dito kasi mabilisan lang to. And I hope na maganda yung flow. Andito nga pala si Ma'am
Mitch.
Ayan, si Ma'am Mitch pala yan. Legendary yan na organizer dito guys. Ayan, alright. So, update ako mamaya guys kapag nakapwesto na tayo ng maayos and para smooth yung ating event. Alright.
Katawan nila.
I don't need an introduction. Follow my step on instruction.
Who's that number 2? Who's that number 3?
To the dance floor when I say, oh yeah.
Step two,
Tell my music, oh yeah.
step that floor.
Grab somebody now, face to
Next
face.
one time. Who's that?
Oh yeah.
Step two,
Tell mom you'll be out too late. Oh yeah. Grab somebody now, face to face. And say, see that you're lost. I don't need an introduction. Follow my step on instruction. One to the left, introduction. Follow my step on instruction. You are the boss. Buy anything, don't care what it costs. Check out the
Yan naman.
Major Manila.
I know from the first time.
individuals who act with initiatives and who prioritize collaborative effort with bigger organizations and be the one who leads the community, such as the DECA and the other residents. It is very important that we prioritize our access and the safety of our environment, and not just us, because the earth is our home, and it is our home for a reason. And we are here to take a good care of it and not just live with it. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Do you think healthcare should be more affordable for all Filipinos? Why?
Thank you for that wonderful question. But first of all, I would like to say good evening and thank you everyone for coming here, to all the judges, to my neighbors, and to my supporters. So first of all, I do think that healthcare must be affordable right now. Because how are we supposed to move around in our country and support our country if we are unhealthy? And also, it is not fair to those people that can afford it, And I do think that people that cannot afford it deserves the right healthcare, because I've witnessed as a former journalist, I've interviewed a lot of students, parents, teachers that struggles about healthcare, seeing their family die because due to the reason of not having enough financial support. That's why I think that everyone deserves a affordable healthcare, and I think
There's no place I'd rather be in this world. Your eyes are where the heart's been. So baby, let's just turn down the lights and close the door. Oh, I love the dress, but you won't need anymore. Let's just kiss till we're naked. Baby, let's just kiss till we're naked. Versace on the floor. Oh no. Ikaw na ang isang ang pag-ibig ko'y di magbabago. Lapit ko ito. Puso'y laging nasasaktan pag pag-isahan ka ba? Tayo'y nagsumpaan.
Okay, we would like to thank our operator and our beautiful music for tonight from the Off-Duty Lights and Sounds. Like if you want to rent their music, you can check their page for the Off-Duty Lights and Sounds. Thank you so much, Sir Julius.
Ayan guys, at tapos na nga yung event natin dito, no. Pasensya na kung hindi natin nakuha na ng video yung last part ng ating event kasi napaka-busy na natin. Kaya ito, kakain na tayo. Ayan, nagpa-picture na lang tayo sa mutyan ng Deca Homes Indangan Phase 2. Ayan, kasama ko nga pala si Mrs. dito guys. Ayan, salamat sa iyong suporta. Alright, and shoutout nga pala kay Sir Kervin Mark de Guzman from Fusion Sounds and Lights. Alright, and shoutout din ka pala kay Sir LG Alyaba. Ayan, salamat sa iyong suporta mga sir. And shoutout nga pala din kay Kuya na tumulong sa atin na maghakot ng mga gamit from outdoor to indoor. Nakalimutan ko yung pangalan mo. Alright. Kaya hanggang sa susunod na event mga ka-off-duty lights and sounds. Alright? Alright.